Okay, so here we are at the waist. Okay, and we got to mark the end of the darts, and then we need to mark along the side seam. Okay, and it looks like that 1/4 inch or 3/4 of an inch in is right where I needed it. Okay, so I am going to finish marking this. Okay, and then I'm going to trim it, and I'm going to pin them together and put them back on. So do you guys want to start working on yours? Because you've already seen me mark this one. I don't know if you have to see me mark this one as well. Okay.
Do you do the same thing for the darts?
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna, yes. The fold line in the middle of the dart lines up with, so I'll just mark it, but do you guys wanna, I can see you're getting a little sleepy. So if you want to stand up, move around a little bit, you can. So that's 3 7/8. So if I go down, oh, look, that works. And I need to also, one thing I didn't do is check the length of the dart legs to make sure. Now see, look at this is coming way down here. So somewhere in there, I've got to even that out. So this dart leg is like 5 3/8, and this one is 5 1/4. So I'm going to raise that up and put that here. Okay, and then the middle of that dart. Wait, where's this? Yeah, this has got to come way over to about here. There. Okay, so this is going to come in here, and this is in here, and then this was way down, so I'm just going to bring that over here, and then I'll have to fix that when I put that on, because this is 8 1/2, and that is, so there's a problem on the side seam, so I've got to check it, and I think. So when I put this here, and I go up like this, yeah, that's too far up. Okay, so I'll have to, so I have to adjust this because it needs to go more like that. I think, anyway, so we'll test it. Yeah, see, this should be more like right here, and this come down to about right there. Yeah. Okay, so now I can, this one is, okay, so it's not this one up here. Okay, all right, I do need to draw in the dart, tops of the dart. So when you guys do your darts, you'll close them. And remember how we folded the top to get that line? Because you want to draw your, you got to draw your seam line. So then just fold it down. There. Okay. So I'm gonna trim this and we'll pin it and see how we do. So when I put this back on the dress form, I thought this was a little strange because this was coming in too far. And so when I put it back and I lined up the hip so that this would hang straight, because earlier I tried to bring those together, and in trying to bring these together, it was causing this to go way out. So then when I pinned this and at the waist, I realized I was off on my markings. Now the back is fine because the back is lining up, but the front, the back needs to come over as well so that it's not going in. And then I need to bring this out. So that's when you put it back on, that's when you can refine it. So I also got to get my waist matched up. And see, I knew something was wrong because my waists weren't matching up. They were way off. See, originally I was over here and not here. So once I fixed my waist and then got my hips where they should be, then I realized my side seam was off. And it's like, is it off on this side or is it off on this side? Well, when I lay it on, it's kind of both because it matches up to my original dots, but this is too far away. So I think, and this seemed kind of small through here. So I think I just need to kind of bring both of them out of it to make a match. But that's what you want to do, is get it matched up so that this hangs straight and not goes way out like it was. Okay, so I'll just remark my side seams and I'm good.